Now that you let the software run, it pulled in 75 people. Now, it stopped at 33 and then I ran it again. That's one of the things you'll have to check for just to make sure it goes through the entire batch. So it stopped at 33 and then I hit the button to run it again and it went through another 75. So it brought in a total of, let's see here, brought in a total of 105 people. So I'm going to run this, but normally you'd only want to do 75 a day. So just make sure if it stops and it only gets to 33, then you do the math, 75 minus 33, and that's how many you would put right here. And then you hit the button again to start it and make it go. So just a heads up on that. So make sure you're only sending out 75 a day, but I'm going to go ahead and highlight all of these now. And I'm just going to start sending invitations. So it's 105 total people. Normally you don't do that, but before you do, make sure you look at your checklist, and it's got to be my LinkedIn account, my message, Okay, so that looks good, and then you would just hit the send invite button, right? And actually, you could come over here and say, okay, I just want to, just reattaching. Okay, you could say I only want to send 75. So you could do that and run 75, right? In fact, that's what I'll do, and then I'll hit the invite button, and let's go. So what you want to do is just make sure that it's going and that the message that's getting sent is actually the right one. So it's logging into LinkedIn and doing its thing. Okay, you can watch it. So it's sending the connection message. So make sure that if it's Corey's account, it says best wishes Corey, right? If it isn't, saying that, stop the software immediately and make sure you got the right M1 message. Okay, M1 message is the invitation to connect message. So then it's going to pause for a little bit, then it's going to go on to the next person. So pivotal that the invitation to connect message is the right one. So I can't say that enough. So just make sure that's going on, right? By the way, if you ever run into snags with the software, we got a team that can troubleshoot it, so just let us know right away so we can get on that. But it's just going to do its thing. So I'm going to let it run, and we'll let it, once it's done, then we'll go on to the next part.